380. Yeah, it's stage very fast stage and it's very nice. I test two road. First road is more technical but it's fast. Second stage is I think faster than Finland. Is very fast stage, and I although both stage I drive well and enjoy it. Okay, I come after stop 3 months and a half after bad stop because the crash, and I hope I come with a lot of energy because I want to do it good time to not lose my level and what I learn. And I try, I do it 170k. I think it's enough to reach my level, and I do it my best in this rally. No mistake. I step by step I drive and prepare also to Finland rally next week. Yeah, its car is a Ford Fiesta, nothing new with my car, but I think I come with, I am new now after the crash, but the car is the same. It's a good car and everything is well. For me, I try to winner. You know, I stopped 3 months and a half. Okay, not easy to winner. Have a lot of Estonian guys. Is very fast. Local guys, and every word is local guys is more fast. But I hope I do it very good result, and I try to win in this rally.